to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is addressing the landlord Erica as the Erica took to her platform and was talking about her. She said she stumbled upon the video and she's here to address Erica. She's saying that she has her merchandise, everything that people bought from her, she has them. And she wouldn't have shipped them yet because those persons did not pay the shipping or they did not reach out to her for the items to be shipped as yet. But she has their items in possession and she has her own merchandise as well that she is also selling. So she's saying that the landlord Erica is telling a lie on her to say that she does not have the items and that she's making up stories about Duppy. Now, she's saying that the landlord Erica some times ago came out on her own page and said that Marcia was the one who sent Duppy in her house when something fell in her house and she was afraid of it. So basically, this is a saga between Marcia and the landlord. And you know that they don't really like each other. So, guys, you have to go now, watch the video now, and like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. And as always, lovelies, have yourselves a beautiful day.
I don't come talk about seminar because me I come up with it. I come up with it. What you know about America? What you know about America? Have you been to America before? What you know about Connecticut? What you know about New York City? What do you know about these areas and places? You know the whole of the world, especially America. Do you know say everywhere built up with dead body? You know say everybody house in this world here for the amount of people. Jesus was born in 4 AD and people are dead before them. And from them the time the people are dead in this world, and a berry. No land no there when a dead body no depend. No land no depend when a dead body no depend. Do you know Confederate soldiers and Connecticut used to have all kind of same thing? All kind of something. Hi, I'm gonna get it done, but I have to take a shower first and dress and leave. So you can come a little what time is it?
Okay, I'm coming at
Give me about, you can leave mine for last if anything.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm gonna have everything done, okay? The bathroom, everything, and all the sheets taken off.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, so you know all the Confederate soldiers and all them people, the amount of people, you make a little idiot people I talk about anxiety. Me no idiot. America this. You come and go on like you're an idiot. I come and talk about you don't believe in nothing. You're a damn liar. Boy, you don't believe in nothing. The dopey can't come around me. They only can't go and come around who? You come and talk about every dopey girl I follow. Them right to follow me because me full of Jesus. Me full of Jesus and me have what they want. So them right to follow me. Me have what they want. Because they want good up soul for to work with them and not work with mine. So you can stay there, come talk about your page and call you look idiot people and come talk over there. Them too damn lie. Most of them will still them a big hobby worker over your page. Big hobby worker. We got hobby man go work if you take with people work. And take with people man and take with people this. No, don't spread no rumor about my business, but me not have the people them things. If me never have the people them things, I just left FedEx and post office. Go ship off merchandise. Me run out of merchandise and me went back there to pick up merchandise to load up in my van. So when me left, if you go to post office today, when me I go right now, me don't have to go down there, go waste time. If you go back down there. So they come tell no lie upon me. Me run out of merchandise, cause my truck full, and me go back down there. Hold on. Yeah, you understand? Yeah, you see, and I went down there in the night. You have you ever been, do you know the place where I'm going to? Do you know how many storages there? Do you know how many storages there? You know you think I want a unit? Do you know how many storages in that place? Where you know about my storage when me there? You think it's a one little storage me is? You think I want a piece of land me there pan? Round the store truck and RV bus in the back part and people carry going on vacation. Our people must can't park in and whatever. You think I want a place me there? You not act like an idiot. You look at idiot people on your page act like an idiot. Come talk about them not believing in nothing. Well, I found a business. It existed. And I say you believe in it. Have you ever seen Jesus Christ? Jesus Christ is a spirit. And he said, whosoever worship must worship in a spirit and in truth. Shut the hell up. Uno is a dumb bitch. That's what Uno is. Wanna know about nothing. What you know? You ever see Jesus yet? From we born to the day we hear about this man who died for us. We don't know if it's true or not true nothing. But we have to look up in the sky and see the sky, the moon, and the star and the rain. And we have to say there's a creator out there. And if he make this beautiful thing, he's good. And in we have faith and worship and we never see him yet. So we get up and we read the Bible every day and we go by the Bible. But the Bible that we have is not the real Bible. This Bible was modified. The real Bible is in the Vatican. And the Jewish. And that's what the real Bible is. This one that we have is the modification one. The Maccabee Bible. You know, see some people, if you read the Maccabee Bible, you get mad. Remember one man, I'm coming to read the Maccabee Bible and I get mad, you know. You think, say the Bible we have right us in front of it. It was watered down to nothing. The things that were in the Bible, if me get the real Bible, and me do what I say if you do, you no could chat to me. And that, you know who have it? The Vatican and the Catholic people them. And that are the real Bible. This is the real Bible. If you go into that, it tell you exactly what you do. Why you think all some churches, when you mess with them or then do whatever, they can do whatever, how you going to talk about you don't believe in a certain things and you see exorcism are going, you see people are doing all kind of same thing. You see people a girl 3 days then just drop dead in your community. How you not believe in a dopey? Then who in a walk in front of you? You know how much dopey me see me a pick me in Jamaica, you too lie, but you not believe in a dopey. The way you walk a road at night time like a dog. And you never seen it up yet. You live in your house up in a Portland or whatever, you never seen it up yet. You never seen nothing yet. Lie. The other day in your house and me see one video where you say something drop down. You say, but no, so that one they sent up, you can't give me a thing, say me I go afraid. You think me never remember? Oh, you remember the video? You remember your ass video where you did? When something dropped down in your house? And you come talk about me send up it there? Then if you never believe in it, how you called up it? Oh, you say something drop in your house and you go look and you see nothing. Leave my business alone. Leave my business alone. And go get some knowledge. That's why I don't feel like say. That's why I don't feel like say. I don't want come guani. When you're a man from over the fence, didn't walk up upon me. You encourage him to walk up upon me to mash up my business, slow down my business. But what happened? God still perseveres, said we and pass through. And now you mash up now. You come out attack. When you encourage them. And look how long me I warn you. For over 2 years now. Stay away from that man. Find something else though. You never, if me never come out and talk about money, you wouldn't expose him. You would have still go on a hypocrite, even though you have him up in your heart, knowing that he's robbing you, he tried to rob you, he's using you, and you're still over there like a big dummy. I cuss me for the man, and you know say the ass man no good. You know say him no good. Anybody where you see that Jamaica third world country and somebody live in the United States and you ask him for help and he's telling you to sign over your page to give to him, you should have dropped him long time. You know, see when didn't I tell you? Didn't I spoke and I told you say whole heap of confession I could take place on social media? And look how you come out and I dash out things. Oh, I chew Marcia attack, of course I chew me attack. Eh? You come out and I say, oh, me never know, me this see when him send the picture come in and say I could do it, you tell him to not do it. You uphold with it. You uphold with it. But now that you know that he was trying to rob you and take away your page, you come out and attack. And that is what happened to a lot of women out there. You should be a damn shame of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself for up there encouraging these workless, dull, cutlass pussy man. For up here and abuse decent, strong black woman, whether we are educated or uneducated not. Whether we are educated or educated not. Stand up for women. And stop act like an idiot. Stand up for women. You have all person who been through the hills and gully and come back if as Facebook save your life. Else you'd have probably that Jamaica sell pussy right now if it wasn't for Facebook. Same way. And if he never failed, you wouldn't come out. And a lot of women out there who know what they're working for. When they're working just to get a highlight, getting a page established, and they'll not come out. I mean, I know what a who now worship. And then something spit right now on the face. And you encourage it and encourage it. You said one come out and talk, say, he send the picture, come show you, say, my hobby me. And you tell him, say, don't do it. You did not know he was going to do it. And now you come out of class, him and go on. It was the same thing. Birds of a feather flock together. Didn't I tell you that? Didn't I tell you all the time? Didn't I warn you and tell us that man is going to fail you? If you follow a demon, what's the thing? Where do you think it's going to come? Where do you think it's going to last? Why do you think? You see me in a car, I dash no wolf for aisle. You see me walk with aisle, you see me dash peppermint. Me look like a obia walker too, no? Look how the wall I want to wear cost me. Look how the ass ugly. Look how the ugly now on the face. You see how my face shine and bright like a diamond. You know see the glory of God that shine for me. You know long the man from over 2 years now the man say him not up until homeless. But me no homeless. Me in a place 20 times better. And I afford to pay for it. 3 times in rent. 2.5 times in rent. That's where God put me. Not welfare, not section here. My own money. Because him feel like say when him do him have to do. Him feel like say me now go to the door, go sleep or me now turn walk. Cause him always come from my page and talk about me I come mad you. Me I could do this I bet you so mad. I bet me know say him come on the fake page or write up them something there. And then fake page. Cause me block every channel for him. From IG, disco, every channel that him ever take off with him name and underneath it. I block it. You block. The other man black over, I say the whole of them black. Have you, the only time me hear nothing about them, I when we go up on YouTube. Me hear about you know. And the reason why me not try to block some of you and delete some of you, me not know if it can happen, is because I want to catch you into things, but me not fix you yet. But any day me fix you, that any day me fix you, at that time it can happen. Now come spread no rumors for me. Me have enough curtain and sheet in my truck. Because me buy more than what it is. Because me can't go shop and don't have. Me buy more than what I went for. So now come on social media, make you like an idiot, jealous bitches them come on the phone and come and talk about said, me I pretend for dopey because me have the people them shit and me don't want to send it out. Did they give me money yet to ship out anything? If they don't pay me, I can't ship it out. The things that I have, I don't get payment. I don't get shipping money. If I don't get shipping money, they can't ship. Where you want me to go do? Go in a bank account, go ship something and we don't get paid for shipping? I have to call people and let them know how much it is. I tell the people I'm already, I am shipping out the curtain them for the most curtain. Do you know the amount of curtain that I've shipped out? Some people boxes were 12 pieces, some were 16, some were 8, some were 4, and I still have a whole heap of curtain left in my vehicle when I buy for myself. So don't come on the page, come spread rumors and talk about, oh, me I pretend. Make your people, oh, I'm pretending. Oh, she pretend she's making up excuses about Duppy because she have the people in merchandise and don't want to ship it. What I've been doing. How many days now that you guys see me sit down in my vehicle? I want me a wall up in my hand. A supermarket paper, come in have the cook. A supermarket receipt, me a wall up in my hand. When me screenshot the people them receipt behind closed door, I said, go give them phone. I want them sip on it. Because everybody will me ship fine now. Me send a receipt or give them yesterday now. The only one I need is then call me and them get them boxes. Me know some of them must get them box by now. Where you think me have in a man? Supermarket receipt? Come in and go supermarket. Where me go supermarket for? Me a cook? Don't spread no rumor about my business. And this is the thing what get me upset. You don't need to stop it. Stop. Leave people business alone. Talk about what you want. Cause me tell what me I cock fire so to man to go be. Call me belly big like a buffalo or whatever it is. Leave Marcia business alone. Because you not do it to a white man. You not do it to a Chinese. And you not do it to Indian. Cuss me like a drunk. Leave cheap and clean alone. Leave cheap and clean alone. Even if me not ship off things to my supporters, me and them is in communications. They know where the money at and they know where to find me. And them send the money come give me, so them know where me there. Me there on Facebook every single day. Me not hide, me not thief. Me know which part the merchandise there. The man have a business that going on almost 30 years or plus. It not gone away. Anything me have for nobody. If me have to borrow the money and pay it back, me borrow it and pay it back. And me don't have to come and have it. And a refund in my business. Once you purchase something, and because me have a small business, your merchandise is guaranteed to get. Of course, over the holiday, it was a rush. Me never go pick up and go New York, it was a gridlock. Me go pick it up, me have it. So what, leave my business alone. Call me any drunk, tell me say me homeless. Tell me say me not have no house. Call me workless, call me anything you don't want to call me. Leave Marcia business alone and go get to no own. Leave my business alone and go get no own. At 3 year and plus me have it from 2020. I started that business. June the 7th, 2020. And it's still going same way. Go start phone in 2024. And see how far I reach. Go and start phone and do what I have to do. And go lift up every box so we have £50. And £30 and £40 and £20. And go from post office to FedEx and UPS just to